I got one question for you. Who's ready to go to the beach? Just kidding. Sadly, today we are not going to be going to the beach. But you know where we are headed? To Baskin Robbins. Fast Foodies, it is a new month, which means it is time for yet another Flavor of the Month review from Baskin Robbins. Every month, I make the 5-minute pilgrimage over to my local Baskin Robbins to try out the brand new Flavor of the Month. The last 2 months have been inspired by the new movie If, and this month's Flavor of the Month is the brand new, never before seen Beach Day flavor. This is inspired by the beach as it is summertime. Now, before I go ahead and tell you more of the specifics that go into this Beach Day flavored ice cream, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on next month's Flavor of the Month review. And if you missed out on June's Flavor of the Month review, then don't worry, I'll make sure to play it right after this one. Speaking of this Flavor of the Month, Beach Day starts off with it's a good one. It's a salted vanilla base ice cream that's blue flavored. And then there are, let's see if I can remember this. I studied the description for a few minutes before this review. I'm pretty sure they are milk chocolate flavored, salted caramel filled turtles. And then there are frosting flecks and swirls of graham cracker sand. Sounds pretty darn delicious. I love my salted caramel, and I gotta give it to Baskin Robbins. Just as a presentation wise, they nailed the color of the blue ocean. I can definitely see some of those turtles. Let's see if they actually are shaped like turtles. Oh no, I was gonna say I'm not sure. You can kind of see right there, they have little imprints on the shell. That's kind of cool. And there's a little head. Okay. It looks like they actually put some effort into this and didn't just fill this with, little chocolate or caramel filled chocolate balls. I'm really hoping that Baskin came through with the salted part though. I really don't like it when something says that it's supposed to be salted caramel and it's only caramel. All right, let's try this out. Oh, and the sand, of course. How can we forget about the sand? I'm going to try to get some of the sand and a turtle on one spoonful. I got my Baskin Robbins. I got quite a few of these in our cupboard, or drawer rather, because we go there every month. So I got at least 4 or 5 of these spoons laying around. All right. I got a little bit of everything there. This gets a 10 out of 10. The flavor is on point. The inspiration is on point. They nailed the presentation. It's a home run. This is delicious. If you like your salted caramel, they came with the salt. It's not too salty. You get some of those frosting mix-ins too. It's sweet, it's salty, it's crunchy. It reminds me of the beach. What more could you want? If you guys have a Baskin Robbins near you, highly recommend checking them out this month. Stopping over and picking yourself up a scoop of this Flavor of the Month. It's a good one. Hope you guys enjoyed this review as much as I enjoyed this cup of ice cream, and we'll see ya in the next one. Comment down below, what do you think August Flavor of the Month will be? See ya in the next one. If you made it to the end of this video, then I'm sure that you want to become a fast foodie as well. So all you have to do is hit that subscribe button. And to see exclusive behind the scenes footage, then you can head on over to Instagram and follow the Fast Foodies at Fast Foodies Review. Well, I hope that this ice cream is very delicious. Welcome back, everyone, to this month's Flavor of the Month review from Baskin Robbins. Today, I'm going to be taking a look at the brand new, what is it called? Blossoms Berry Twirl flavor. This is the June Flavor of the Month from Baskin Robbins. And what's interesting is actually, there are kind of 2 flavors of the month. They were the same for this month and last month. Both of the flavors, this one and the other one, I forgot what it was named. Let me check really quickly. Oh, it was the Blues Boardwalk Bash. Both of these flavors are inspired by the movie If. And so last month and this month they came out with these flavors. And last month, as I mentioned, I got the blues flavor. And today I'm gonna be trying out this berry blossom twirl. And to make sure you don't miss out on July's flavor of the month, I really hope it's not inspired by the movie If. I'm getting a little, I'm hoping that they can be a little bit more creative. But to make sure you don't miss out on that, then guess what? All you gotta do is hit that subscribe button. And if you did miss out on last month's flavor of the month review, then don't worry, I'll make sure to play it right after this one. But speaking of which, this berry blossom twirl ice cream actually has 2 ice cream flavors as the base. It has a strawberry and sweet cream ice cream base, and then rainbow sprinkles, and last but not least, sugar cookie dough pieces mixed in. At first I wasn't too excited about this because I saw the pink. I thought it was going to be kind of like a strawberry flavor. But when I read that it had sugar cookie dough in there, man, I definitely got a little bit more excited. Smells pretty good. And I must say, the color, it does match this time of year, you know, the summertime with bright colors. You know what it also matches? The tasting spoon. Let's go ahead and try this out. I'm gonna try to get a cookie dough piece, as well as both, what are the flavors again? Strawberry and sweet cream, because cream isn't sweet as it is. Let's see what we can find here. All right, I got a cookie dough piece right there. That's good. The strawberry and sweet cream mesh together nicely. They create quite the flavor combination. You get the sweetness from the strawberries. The cream doesn't overpower the strawberry flavor. It just adds to it. The sprinkles actually add a nice little crunch as well. They don't add too much to the flavor profiles, but texturally, definitely a nice addition. And then last but not least, my favorite part about this ice cream, as I mentioned, are those sugar cookie dough pieces. They're delicious. It's sugar cookie dough. My one complaint is that there aren't enough of that. I'm trying to look around, trying to dig through, see what I can find. I'm seeing some, but this is definitely not as loaded as, let's say, like a pint of Ben & Jerry's, you know, or something like that. So this could definitely have a few more pieces of those sugar cookie dough, but besides that, good job, Baskin Robbins. And I think this is actually, I like this more than the Blues Boardwalk Bash. So that's a tongue twister, Blues Boardwalk Bash. If you have to decide between the two, personally, I would recommend the Berry Blossom Twirl. For ratings, I'm going to go ahead and give this one an 8 out of 10. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below if you have tried it. And as always, what do you think will be the July flavor of the month? Drop a comment in the comments down below. We'll catch you in the next one. If you made it to the end of this video, then I'm sure that you want to become a fast foodie as well. So all you have to do is hit that subscribe button. And to see exclusive behind the scenes footage, then you can head on over to Instagram and follow the Fast Foodies at Fast Foodies Review. Mom, do you want to try?
Yeah.
You want to try? Berry Blossom Twirl.
Peanutbutter.
Mm-hmm. Not bad.
Not bad summer ice cream.
Yeah, there you go. All right, Mom. I hope this doesn't give us the blues.